Do you ever feel this? You are speaking English. You start a sentence, and suddenly, your mind becomes empty. You know the word. You studied it. You saw it many times. But in that moment, it disappears, and you feel nervous. You stop speaking. Maybe you feel embarrassed. Maybe you think, my English is bad. But listen carefully. Your English is not bad. This happens to almost every English learner. Even advanced students forget words. Even teachers sometimes forget words. This is normal. And today, I will teach you how to remember words faster, how to stop panicking, how to speak with confidence, and how to train your brain correctly. I will share 10 powerful and practical tips. These are simple, but if you practice them every day, your speaking will improve a lot. Are you ready? Let's begin. Tip 1. Think in English. This is one of the most important tips. Most students do this. They think in their language first, then they translate into English. For example, in your mind, first arrow your language, second arrow English. This takes time, and during that time, your brain feels pressure. That is why you forget words. Your brain is too busy translating. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start small, very small. Don't try big sentences first. Look around you right now. What do you see? A chair? Say in your mind, this is my chair. A phone? This is my phone. A window? The window is open. At first, it feels strange, but after 1 week, it becomes natural. Practice exercise. For 5 minutes every day, describe everything around you in English, simple sentences only. This trains your brain to think faster. And when you think faster, you forget fewer words. Tip 2. Use simple words. Many students stop speaking because they want perfect words. They think, if I don't use difficult vocabulary, my English is bad. This is wrong. Communication is more important than big words. Let's say you forget the word exhausted. Instead of stopping, say, I am very tired. If you forget enormous, say very big. If you forget furious, say very angry. Simple English is powerful English. Even native speakers use simple words every day. Remember, fluency is not about difficult vocabulary. Fluency is about continuing without stopping. So never stop speaking because of one word. Tip 3. Speak every single day. You cannot remember words if you don't use them. Your brain works like a muscle. If you don't use it, it becomes weak. If you use it daily, it becomes strong. Many students only read. Many students only watch videos. But they don't speak. Speaking is active. Reading is passive. To improve memory, you must speak. No partner, no problem. Talk to yourself. Yes, seriously. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak for 3 minutes. Topic ideas. What did I do today? What are my goals? What makes me happy? My favorite movie. Record yourself. Listen again. You will notice you know more words than you think. Daily speaking reduces fear. Less fear equals better memory. Tip 4. Learn words in sentences. This is very important. If you learn only single words, your brain forgets them quickly. For example, if you learn confident, only one word, you may forget it. But if you learn, I feel confident when I speak slowly. Now your brain remembers a situation. The brain loves context. It loves stories. So always learn words inside sentences. Better idea? Create mini stories. Example, I bought a new phone yesterday. I am excited. Now, excited has a story. Stories stay longer in memory. Tip 5. Use flashcards. Smartly, flashcards are powerful, if used correctly. But don't just read them once. Use this method. Step 1. Look at the word. Step 2. Close your eyes. Step 3. Make a sentence. Step 4. Say it out loud. Also, review old words, not only new words. Memory works with repetition over time. 5 minutes daily is enough. Small habits create big improvement. Tip 6. Listen every day. Your brain remembers words by hearing repetition. When you hear the same word 10 times, it becomes natural. Watch English YouTube videos. Listen to podcasts. Listen to English stories. Use subtitles at first, then slowly remove subtitles. When you hear natural pronunciation, your brain connects sound plus meaning. This makes speaking easier, because when speaking, you remember the sound. Listening builds speaking memory. Tip 7. Repeat new words many times when you learn a new word. Don't read it once and forget it. Repeat it. Say it loudly, 5 times. Then make 3 different sentences. Example. Improve. I want to improve my English. I improve every day. This book helps me improve. Now your brain creates connections. More connections equals stronger memory. Repetition is not boring. Repetition builds mastery. Tip 8. Stay calm when you forget. Sometimes you will forget, even after practice. That is okay. But panic makes memory worse. When you panic, your heart beats faster. Your brain blocks information. So, when you forget, pause. Take a deep breath. Smile. Explain differently. If you forget dictionary, say, "It is a book where we check word meanings." Communication continues. Confidence grows. And next time, you remember faster. Tip 9. Write every day. Writing helps organize thoughts. When you write, you search for words slowly. This improves memory. Keep a small notebook. Every day write 5 sentences. Simple is fine. Example. Today I woke up at 7. I drank coffee. I studied English. After 1 month, you will see big improvement. Writing makes speaking easier. Tip 10. Connect words with images. Your brain loves pictures. When you see something, say its name in English. See a tree arrow, tree. See a car arrow, car. See the sky arrow, the sky is blue. Even better, create funny images in your mind. Crazy pictures stay longer in memory. For example, imagine a giant apple dancing. Now, apple becomes unforgettable. Use your imagination. Memory becomes strong. Final motivation. Let me tell you something important. Forgetting words does not mean you are bad at English. It means your brain is still training. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Improvement is slow. But daily practice works. If you use these 10 tips every day for 30 days, you will see a big difference. Confidence will grow. Fear will reduce. Memory will improve. Now I want to ask you, which tip will you start today? Tell me in the comments. And if this video helped you, like and share it with a friend. Subscribe for more English lessons. Remember, speak, make mistakes, improve. See you in the next video. Please. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mr. USA English, your place to learn English in a simple, clear and practical way. On this channel, we practice speaking, vocabulary, pronunciation, real-life English. If you want to improve your English step by step, you are in the right place. Subscribe to Mr. USA English, turn on the notification bell and join our learning community. Remember, every day a little practice makes big progress. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.